Hello again. I promised I would show you how to make your own shredded tissue paper graphs for Easter baskets, bags, boxes, or whatever you need to do. So this is my paper shredder. I do sell this. I'm very low on stock. This is a handheld, or excuse me, a manual is what I meant to say. It's handheld, of course, but it's manual. And this is a very narrow shred. Most of them are really wide if you use a regular office shredder. So I did have to source this. What you're going to do is you're going to cut your strips of tissue from your packet, and you can shred 2 at a time. What I love about this shredder is that it doesn't need any batteries, so if I stick it in the drawer and I don't use it for a long time and I take it back out, the batteries aren't going to have corroded anything. Now this will only shred tissue or lightweight paper like you would put through your printer. Don't try to use it with cardstock. It will break the handle off because this is plastic with metal in it and they're just not made to shred super thick stuff. So you can see I'm just going to feed my tissue down in here, and I'm just going to drop it or drape it down over the top and hold my thumb on it. So I'm going to start cranking this through, and it's going to try to go a little bit crooked, so you can see I keep my thumb on it just to try to guide it, because it can bind up on the side, and I just twist and twist, and can you see that it is shredding? You can do this with newspaper, and it's starting to bind up a little bit or go crooked over here, but that's alright. So again, you can use newspaper, you can use printed different papers, and by the way, on your lightweight paper, this will actually make perfect 1/8 inch quilling strips. So you can quill with like newspaper or whatever prints you want. Now you can see here where it folded over, it didn't quite get that whole one, so I just kind of picked that one out of there, and this one looks a little kind of chewed up as well on the edge. So you just kind of clean that out, get yourself nice and neat paper strips. Okay, and now we're just going to have fun, take out our anger, whatever, and we munch it. Alright, so I can mix colors. I mixed red, pink, and white. For Valentine's Day, you can use the metallic paper tissues. I get a lot of my tissue at the Dollar Tree. Nice and inexpensive. And that is how you would make your own shredded filler for all of your gift baskets, gift boxes, whatnot. So that is the paper shredder. Thanks. Have a great day.